Welcome back, Bandana Mechanic. Got ourselves a Craftsman generator, and it's not starting, so guess we'll go through and see. So first thing you want to do, make sure the fuel's on, have the fuel on, make sure the choke's on. Got the choke on. Make sure the power switch is on, that's on. Of course, check the oil. Hello. There's plenty of oil in it. Actually seems over full. Alright. Let's see. Nope. See if a little juice will get her. Maybe the power's off. Huh. Yeah. Plus the carburetor's just that bad. Guess I'm gonna check for spark. See if we can get some sparky. Happy Sunday. Hopefully you're having a good Sunday. Right. Looks weak. Well, you probably can't see it. The light's lighting. It almost seems a little weak to me, but it's the problem with the light ones. Sometimes it's enough to light the light, but not enough to spark the spark plug. So you'll think it's everything but the spark ignition coil, but it really is. Especially with it not popping, but oh boy. Not quite sure where I want to start with this thing. Let me take the spark plug out. That ain't the size. Fudger. Fudge. Just taking the spark plug out, that's all. She's wet. I'm gonna try a new one. That's simple enough. I'll be right back. Got the new pluggo. Like a fudge. That'd be nice if it was just a bad plug. I don't think I'm gonna get that lucky. But those torch plugs are crap. Champion or MGK, I don't seem to have trouble with. Seen a lot of bad torches though. And there's no name ones you get with the Chinese kits. I see so many of them. It's ridiculous. Yes, dudes. And when they put this thing, can't even get a wrench in there. Open the dang choke. Yeah, buddy, this is gonna be a weird one. Everything wants me to go carburetor, but I have a feeling it ain't that. Son of a biscuit. Find my 10mm. What else is new? Oh, that stupid freaking thing. What's going on here, man? Alright, I gotta look for my tools. I'll be right back. Alright. We're back. Just draining the bowl. I should have started with that though. Oh, this is gonna be so exciting. What a piece of crud. Be right back. Alright, folks. Had to clean up some of the mess. Oh. Also, gonna hit record here. So the whole thing's been puzzling me. Yeah, there's spark. I'm spraying stuff straight in. not popping. Even though the spark was weak, I don't know. Something just wasn't acting right to me, so I hooked up this compression tester, which was a pain in the butt. I'm a little worried about this engine. I don't know if we can. Well, I'll get you close. Let's see what happens. I'm gonna give it a few good pulls. That's not good. I don't know if you can see that, but there's not even 50. And you can tell that it's not the gauge because it's holding. If there was a leak in the gauge, it wouldn't hold. Uh-oh. So again, it's not I'm not gonna totally condemn this yet. I will pull the valve cover. Maybe the valves are, let's see, maybe the valves, I don't know, that's pretty low, but we'll see. The oil that came out of it didn't look bad, so I'm not 100% sure. Usually it'd be super black or gray. There's none of them signs, but it is also way over full. Maybe somebody was trying to overcompensate. It's pretty unfortunate if this is fried. Right. Let me turn this girl. I'm gonna pull this valve cover. Check these valves out here. Pretty sure everything on this stupid thing's metric. Gonna have me old hunchback today. That was pretty loose. Wonder if somebody been tinkering. I always think of tinkering. I swear half my business is tinkering people. Alright, so can you see in there? A little bit, kinda, sorta, no? Da-da-da. We gotta get this girl up to top dead center. Abort. Probably gonna be getting it something to feel. Okay, right there. Gotta pull this. Okay. One valve moving. Second valve moving. Now this. There's. That really don't. I'm gonna have to go past it. Where's moving? Oh yeah, look at that. That don't even stay on the... They're pretty loose, but... Looks like it's push rod. Ay, ay, ay. Ow. Stooge. Let me go through this again. Always gotta make sure. Alright, so we're going down, up one valve. Okay, one valve, two valve. Now this next one up. I think that's it. So let's see what those are. Now this is a Briggs engine, so I'm going to go with the classic .005. Actually, that one's alright. They're both... Shoot, that ain't good. I don't know why they seem so dang loose. Almost hard to believe. Let's try it one more time. It feels so dang loose. I think that's enough to cause an issue. Yeah, so that one is... I had trouble getting it in. This one might be a little bit loose, but still there's drag on it, you know? Oh. Well, how in the heck did you smoke your engine, sir? That was one of them times I wish I had a camera. I know under 50 PSI ain't no way that anything's gonna run. The valves are moving, they're not stuck. Well, before I do anything more, I'm calling the customer, and it's a Sunday, so it ain't gonna happen today. But I don't know how far he's gonna want me to take it. This boy or girl ain't got no compression. That's a bad day for anybody. So sometimes you just gotta follow your gut. Some just didn't seem right from the get-go. And we have something with no compression, so you know, we checked spark. I put fuel directly in there. Nothing was happening. That leaves it to the final thing generally, and that's compression. So maybe you learned something, maybe not, but stay tuned anyways. We'll see you next time. Thank you.